Welcome to the Rich Mindset Tower. Before we can build anything strong, we have to start with the most important part, the foundation. And that foundation isn't about saving money or investing. It's about your mindset. Think of your mind like a room. For many of us, it's filled with old, dusty ideas we've picked up over the years. Ideas like, I'm just not a numbers person, or money is the root of all evil, or I'll never be rich. These thoughts aren't just ideas. They're like cracks in our financial foundation. They make it impossible to build something solid. In this lesson, we're going to do some mental spring cleaning. We're going to challenge these old beliefs and replace them with new, empowering ones. We're going to turn that cluttered room into a blueprint for success. The first tool is awareness. Think about the words you use when you talk about money. Do you say, I can't afford that? Or, I don't have enough? When you hear yourself say these things, just take a moment to notice them without judgment. Awareness is the first step to change. The second tool is reframing. This is where we break old thoughts and rebuild them. Instead of, I can't afford that, you can reframe it as, how can I afford that? Or, is that purchase aligned with my goals? This simple shift moves you from a place of scarcity to a place of possibility. The third and most powerful tool is action. A rich mindset isn't just about thinking differently, it's about doing differently. When you feel a negative thought coming up, take one small, positive action. Maybe that's putting $5 into a savings account, or finally creating a simple budget. Each small action reinforces your new mindset and builds confidence. Money is just a tool. It's not good or evil. It's what you do with it that matters. By changing your mindset from I am bad with money to I am learning how to be good with money, you've already started building the rich mindset tower. So, get ready. In our next lesson, we'll start building our first brick, the emergency fund. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Rich Mindset channel so you don't miss out.